Good morning, everybody. Yes, I am doing my coupon preview for you guys next to my kitchen sink. I'm pretty excited. Look what I got free yesterday at Victoria's Secret. It's awesome. They want 17 bucks for this thing. I think that's ridiculous, but I think it's super cute. It's a little glass. But I'm here to show you guys what I got. My red plum is super thin, so I know it's going to be lame. So I'm here to just show you guys what I got. Sorry, I'm just holding my camera differently. So we got Robitussin, Dime Tap, and Advil PM, $2 off those coupons. King Cheese Pizza, Nature's Truth. We got $1 off, is it Brillo toilet cleaner, and then I got, never heard of this, Ocean Potion Sun Care. So that was my red plum. Look how lame that was. It only took 2 seconds. Here we got some, sorry the glare, we got some I don't know if this is easy. There we go. We got some $2 off candy coupons. Nature Valley. We always get these coupons. They're nothing. Sorry about the glare. Yay, Irish Springs. We got $1 off that. Ooh, $1 off the soap. 6 packs are larger. 50 cents off of Colgate. Pistachios. Some kind of bread. Yay, Gliss, buy one get one free. Coffee, I got can't even say it, coffee, Outback. Harbor Freight, here we got some great coupons. 75 cents, 75 cents, 75. Everything is 75 cents. I like it when they have a bunch on the same page. Less cutting. $3 off of Revlon. Here we got some sugar coupons for C&H. We got Eucerin. Sorry about the glare, you guys. I'm sorry. Most of you guys know what you're getting. More worthless ads. I'm just going to throw that away. That's no point of being in my thing. More worthless ads, but I can't rip that out. And Chuck E. Cheese for your birthday. So yeah, my inserts were not the greatest, but I wanted to show you guys what I got. And I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.